In 2022, the whole of the NHS came together on one day to celebrate the work of the hidden teams within hospitals for the National Healthcare Estates and Facilities Day. We were delighted to have over 250,000 estates and facilities team members included in the day. The National Day to celebrate these teams is back for 2023. Here's a snapshot of where they work within the immense NHS machine. With such an enormous range of estate and engineering services in hospitals, there is a constant need for maintenance and repairs. Much of this happens behind the scenes. All healthcare premises require cleaning to a very high standard to ensure they are safe and free from infection risks for the patient care services that take place there. There's a huge amount of transport needed to and from the hospital, as well as around the hospital buildings. They could be moving people, goods, mail, or specialist supplies. Portering works hand in hand with transport services. You'll be familiar with seeing porters moving patients around the hospital, but they also move equipment, gas cylinders, sterile supplies, and furniture. Our catering teams provide safe, nutritious food for our patients, staff, and visitors. Our retail outlets are varied from grab and go and coffee shops right through to vending. We're dedicated to promoting professional standards. We recently held a national NHS cooking competition. With so many beds, you can imagine how much linen hospitals go through. Our teams collect dirty linen from the wards, clean and disinfect so it's microbially safe and deliver back to the wards. Outside of bed linen, we also take care of uniforms and other textiles. Our fire safety advisors deliver day-to-day fire safety services within hospitals. They keep our patients, visitors and staff safe from fire and its effects. Hospitals generate large amounts of waste. Some of this can be hazardous. It all has to be managed safely. All the waste processing has to be rigorously recorded and monitored to make sure we meet our waste management obligations and protect the environment. Our security teams are there to keep our hospitals a safe environment for all. This continues to our car parks, where we also provide information and assistance to keep traffic moving. Our reception and switchboard teams deal with thousands of people every day, assisting them with inquiries and connecting them with loved ones. As the first point on contact, they provide a valuable role with people that may be anxious and worried. The team of decontamination specialists collect dirty medical devices and then fully clean them to sterile standards. These devices are then thoroughly inspected for cleanliness and functionality before being returned to circulation again. Hospitals rely on a vast range of medical devices, diagnostic and treatment equipment. All of this needs regular maintenance, collaboration and testing. This is the task of the Clinical Engineering Maintenance Team, who use their extensive skills to keep these vital pieces of equipment working safely. All 4 nations of the UK are coming together again on Wednesday 21st of June for the National Healthcare Estates and Facilities Day to celebrate these talented and committed teams who keep our NHS running, often behind the scenes. Join us and celebrate your team too. Register for your free supporter kit at healthcareefmday.org.